Welcome back to Get Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to increase download speed in Microsoft Edge browser. So first you need to open Edge browser on your PC and a new tab. You need to type this one Edge colon slash flex, and after that press enter on the keyboard. This will open experiments window, or you can say Edge Flex window. Here in the search box type parallel or parallel downloading, and you will see parallel downloading flags within the Edge browser, and beside that you will see a drop down menu. Click on this one drop down menu, select here enabled option, then click on this one restart button at the bottom of the screen. This will reopen Edge browser on your PC, and next time you will download a large file on your Edge browser, you will see a lot of improvements in downloading. Thanks for watching this video.